But like daddy's growing strong, and he longs to find the place where he belongs. He cleans the air just to show he cares, and wet or dry he's always there. Yeah, that boy Billy really is one tough little son of a gun. He likes a big old pot and being fertilized a lot, because Billy's rising up right towards the sun with stems of orange or pink or tan. His roots run deeply through Deland, Deland. And he was born and raised at E.F.G in the USA. He likes to reach out real wide, like Mr. Billietiae. New leaves unfurling in the blink of an eye. So thick and tough that the wind keeps blowing on by. Yeah, rain or shine, he's flying high, climbing up a tree, dancing left and right, 'cause he ain't slowing down unless he's dry. So come on down to E.F.G, Orchids on Marsh Road, and that's 4265.